Well, the British Bulldog is finally here. Well, it's not British, it is the miniature Mini Bulldog. Now, for those of you who are familiar with this knife, you probably know the latest edition of it, the first edition of it was this. And it was kind of cool. I like the way it looks. It was so cool, I decided to keep it in my personal collection. And voila, this knife came with a trick-or-treat addition to this, making it even better deal than the previous one. And why is that? Well, this is green, but the surface just feels so much better. It looks much cooler, and above all, it is just more slick and collectible as well. So what it's made of, and should you get this for yourself, we are talking about a D2 blade, Mikado handle, clutch lock, and stone washed black handle as well. Let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. Wow, wow. Right on this says trick or treat. On the other side there is the smiley face. This is a no branding knife. There is no well that this thing says this is a Kizer, which is surprising at all, because this one, it says Kizer over here, and there is other markings on it, and of course there is the Kizer logo on this one. So because this is collectible, we don't have this. No logo, nothing at all. It looks really cool. It says here trick or treat, the question mark, purple over here, purple right there. On the other side of it, same deal carries throughout, the Batman sign. Now, when we are talking about Batman, we are also talking about this being carved right inside the handle itself. The same deal with the smiley face too, carved right in here. And that's what makes it unique and interesting knife. The Batman sign is definitely calling your name on this one. The shape is just really unique. Then we have the groove right here as well. The knife itself is easy for you to open and close. One hand operation. Open this up just like that, close it, 2 fingers, putting right here, clutch lock. It is going ahead and closing all the way down, and it looks good. Like the ability of you to do this, open and close with one hand, is just amazing. Now that's only one way for you to go ahead and open and close this thing. You can also just pull it down, flip it down like this. That's the dangerous part, which I accidentally cut myself before, so be careful of that. Now you can also just pull it down just like this, and it goes all the way down, just slips just like that. Now it does have a little bit of a safety to this. Let me show you exactly what I mean. As it goes down, it doesn't go down all the way, it just stops around this area. Then you have to put a little bit more, and you hear the satisfying clicks. So satisfying. As you can see, when it drops, take a look at this when it drops. Let's take a look. They drop, they drop, they drop. It doesn't drop all the way. It drops almost all the way. So it keeps it really nice and safe as well. Now, this knife is just cool. Everything that is designed about screams this thing is beautiful. The looks of it, the beauty of it, the whole entire nice that it looks, it feels. This knife has every trademark of a knife that you should just add to your collection. It's one of those knives that once you get one, you must own one, and when you own one, you must own the second one too. What I mean by the second one, well, you gotta get the green one too, because this one is just not enough. The Batman is calling your name, but then we have the green edition, and you're like, okay, which one should I choose? And now it becomes a question is, which one should you get? Instead of like, if you should get it, is more about which design should you get instead. Now, when I'm talking about which design itself, you have to understand, this one is easy to get. This one is still on the market. On the other hand, this is a special edition, trick or treat. You only are getting this exclusively this time of the year. After that, there's going to be a different edition. is going to be a different kind of a box that it's going to come with. And after that, you're just not going to be able to get one of those anymore, because next year's design is just going to be different. So therefore, this is a collectible edition. In fact, last year's models were sold out right away. And this year's models might be already sold out, as you see this right now. So if you see this still for sale, make sure you grab yours today, because this knife is just awesome. You can't get any better than the Kizer drop barrel Mini Bulldog. It's one of my favorite knives, and it's so easy for you to hold. Take a look at this. It holds very good. You can get very close to the action itself. It looks so good. It has one of the best locks on the market, which is the clutch lock, which is going to be keeping it exceptionally safe for you to use, enjoy, and love. This is one of those knives you have to get for yourself, for somebody else, or just give it away as a gift.